Today we'll be learning how to do title animation in After Effects. So first start with the new composition. Click on new composition. We'll be keeping width as 1920 and height 1080. Frame rate is 30 and let's keep duration at 5 seconds. You can name the composition as title animation and then just click on OK. So now we are in title animation composition. First, just click on this type tool and in the composition anywhere click and you will get this red color cursor. Now you can type. So for example, I am just typing title and I have used Rockwell as font. You can use any other font also if you want to. If you want to change this font style, just double click on it and then change it from here in the character tab. Alright, so now we have this title. Just click on the selection tool and then align it from this align tab. Let's align it horizontally and then vertically. Now you have this title. Let's change the color to probably white. And now let's start with the animation. Before animating, what you have to do is you have to create a mask. Select the title layer, right click on that, go to mask, new mask. Now if you see, you won't be able to see the mask area. So to see the mask area, just click on this toggle mask button in the title composition area. Now you can see the mask. Just click on this box and you can see this can be moved, but now it's moving totally. So what we'll do is we'll go to mask area. Now if you'll try to move it, it will move properly. So all you have to do is just create mask and then animate that particular mask area. So before that, what we'll do is we'll create a keyframe. So let's create a keyframe here. Open this mask 1 and click on mask path. Click on this stopwatch. You will get this keyframe. Now what we'll do is we'll move this and then you'll see this is basically masking it. Before moving it, let's create some design around it, some different shape so that that mask comes out more effectively. One minute. Let me click on this. If you'll see, this is selecting the entire mask. Now if you click on the only this points, you can select these 2 points and just move it slightly. Press shift key so that it moves in the correct order. Now once you are ready with this shape, just go to probably say 2 seconds and move this slightly on the right hand side. So be careful, double click on this so that you will select the mask properly and then move it with the help of shift key. And now if you will see this animation, it's basically taking it out. So what basically we'll have to do is go back to this section, move this keyframe, first keyframe, and move the shape to probably right, and then go to second, and then you have to bring it back to the particular area where you have this text. Can you see this? Now it's basically moving properly. Now if you see, this is coming and masking this thing. Now one more thing to do is, this is what we want. It will mask it properly. So to mask it properly, we'll slightly move this shape on the right hand side and this 2 left hand side points on the left hand side. Now if you will again try to animate, this is masking it properly and staying it there, keeping it there. So just remove this additional keyframe. You can select and just delete it, and then you will see this is coming smoothly. It's taking a lot of time. If you want, you can reduce this frame to probably 1.5 seconds. And then if you see, this is coming good. Now what you have to do is, you have got this mask, but to add more dynamics to it, just create duplicate of this particular title. So I'll create Control D and one more Control D. So now just rename this title to title white, so that we'll know that which is what color. Then for title 2 we'll name it as probably, let's select this color which is green, probably greener shade, more, I think this is good. Then we'll rename this as title green. Now let's go to the other title. Let's change this color to probably blue, something like this is good. Then just rename this to blue, title blue. Alright, so now that we have these three masks together, basically these three titles together, all we have to do is just move these two titles slightly few seconds ahead. Similarly, just select the blue title and move it to few seconds. Now if you'll see, this will look really good. Again, if you'll see, this is blending beautifully. Okay, if you don't want blue color as title, what you can do is, if you want white color as title, then you can just change these layer positions. Take the title white on top, take blue at the bottom, and just bring these layers back to start position. For example, just dragging this to the start. Now what you can do is, you can move this title white few frames ahead. Similarly, title green few frames ahead. And now if you render this, you will get title in white. So all you have to do is just shuffle these layer positions. So whichever color you want to be seen after animation in your title, you can keep that layer on top of the this tag. Suppose if you want to see title in white color, you can keep title white layer on top. If you want to see title as green, you can keep this title green layer on top, and just arrange these layers accordingly. You can move it in a similar way, and then after rearranging you will get that desired effect. So I hope this helps you. Do like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be bringing more and more video tutorials for all of you. Till then, take care and stay awesome.